Let's be real, we crave control. It can do things that Adobe Illustrator cannot. Welcome to Glyphs, your gateway to typographic greatness. I'm Mark DeWin, and I'll be walking with you through the first steps of your type design journey. In order to do that, we'll be using something called Glyphs, which is an industry standard type design software used by professionals all over the world to design, produce, and export their fonts. It's purpose-built to draw letters. It's got a bunch of nifty features and plugins, and more importantly, it gives you a tremendous degree of control. And as designers, let's be real, we crave control. If you've tried to draw letters, if you've tried to tweak paths and stuff in Illustrator and you found it frustrating because it doesn't do everything that you want it to do, you're gonna absolutely love Glyphs. If you love typography and you've always wondered how fonts are made, this free 3-night workshop is gonna give you the keys to begin to start making fonts of your own. On day one, we'll be going through the interface of Glyphs, how to use the windows, how to use the tools, and what are the plugins available to you. And of course, then we're going to draw some type. By the end of day one, you would have drawn your control characters and also done some initial spacing for them. On day two, we're going to walk through how to use existing shapes to help build more characters in the alphabet. We're also going to talk about how Glyphs have specific tools and tricks to help this progress become faster. At the end of day two, you ideally could have up to 2/3 of your character set designed, all ready for day three. Day three is all about workflow. We're going to look at the characters you've designed, talk about what an ideal process of continuing to refine and design those look like that every type designer uses on a day-to-day basis. And of course, at the end of day three, you're going to be able to export, install, and use your work in progress typeface. On top of that, I put together 3 spectacular freebies to give to you. Number 1, a workbook with all the notes and explainers so that you can continue to refer to this in your type design journey. Number 2, I put together a cheat sheet for spacing. Number 3, a font proofing template. Last but not least, all participants will get a special access to a discount for the launch of Type Design Asia, a mentored course that will take you from typography aficionado to type designer in just 8 weeks. If you want to elevate your type game, join me on this free Glyphs workshop and sign up today. See you on the inside.